Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Our kitchen drawer slides desperately needed to be replaced, and this set by BAIDICE is so smooth. The other thing that's really nice is because of how it extends, it is a full extension. So you can see I can get all the way in the back of my drawers, no problem at all. And when I close my drawers, there's no gap between the drawer front and the actual cabinet. And if you notice that little rubber piece on the end, these are extremely quiet when you close them, so no more drawer slamming. Another thing that's nice is they're easy to remove for an adult, that you have to push this little clip and it easily slides out. But that means that my children are not able to just pull this drawer out and have it fall on them. There's a little clip, you just push it. So to install, these are very easy. They were tricky for our cabinets because I also had to install boards for them to be attached to. But if you have those boards, it's literally 3 screws on the side of the drawer and then 3 screws for the piece that goes on the actual cabinets. The most important thing is just make sure you measure, measure, measure so that everything is parallel and even and straight. If you can do that, piece of cake, literally 6 screws on each side, and you'll have these perfectly smooth sliding drawers for your kitchen cabinets. And that's my point of view.